The age of agentic AI is here, and it's bringing tons of new opportunities for carriers. More ways to monetize your networks, enhance user experience, and smarter, linear operations. We see three major growth opportunities. First, who we serve. Second, what we offer. And third, how we serve. This will open up all sorts of new revenue streams. But how do we get there? Right now, we have a real opportunity to reshape the user lifecycle, how customers buy, use, get support, and how we retain them. We can use AI agents to transform product and service operations, experience O&M, and customer retention. And we'd love to share our experience with you. We invite you to join us at OTF2026 in Copenhagen from June the 22nd to 24th, where we will partner with PM Forum. We can wait to see you there.